free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. What's up, guys? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I got three home business ideas that you can actually start today. Right after you get into watching this video and you like it and share it, right? You can actually pick one of these and start your home business today. All right, so three, here we go. The first one, been around for a while, right? But people still making money. People still use this as a home business model, and that is eBay. All right, eBay is still popping. You still can make money from eBay. Now, I suggest when you just get started with eBay, just as a way to get used to how eBay work and operate, start with stuff that you already got. Everybody has some stuff that you don't use, that you don't want anymore, and make sure it's in decent condition, or at least you can get it in a good condition to sell. But even if you don't have anything, maybe your family member do, saying something maybe they don't want or whatever, start with that. Just post a few things, right? You can do that today. Create your account and just post a few things today and start, getting a few sales, get going, blah, 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 blah. Once you start, really understanding how to list items for sale, you get comfortable with that, you learn all the rules and shipping and all that, then you can kind of scale up. And I always tell people, this is how you get stuff. Garage selling, right? Make it a point. And remember that we talk about home business. We ain't talking about quick, super quick cash. We're talking about like something that you can kind of make a good little part-time, maybe even a full-time income from, right? So I recommend wherever you live, figure out, where there's garage sales, even flea markets in your area, and try to strike little deals. See what's hot on eBay. See what's selling on eBay. Go to garage sales on a regular basis, flea markets. You can even check the Facebook marketplace for people that's trying to get rid of stuff. You can actually negotiate with people, get you a nice little inventory. You can buy things at garage sales for $5, turn around and sell it on eBay for $50. People do this all the time. Trust me when I tell you, people do it all the time. And actually, you could even have fun with it. You know what I'm saying? Take your kids or your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. Make it a point to go, like, try to find cool stuff that you can sell, right? But a lot of people strictly do that and use eBay as a business model. They just do garage selling, get nice little inventory. And the key is, guys, take good pictures for eBay. You can't have garbage up there. You can't just have like a picture of a jacket that's like folded up, laying in a corner somewhere that's dirty and that's dark. You want to make it a point to take good pictures no matter what you're selling on eBay. Also, make sure that you have good, enticing descriptions for no matter what you're selling, because people actually will read the description, right? One more piece of advice: make sure that you are professional, because people do look at your eBay rating. You know what I'm saying? Like your rating. So if you got like a 40% out of 100% rating, people ain't gonna want to deal with you too much on eBay. But if you can have your stuff in the high 80%, all the way up to 100% as far as feedback score, you can go hard on eBay. You can go hard. All right. So home business idea number 2, right, which you can start today if you want, is becoming a social media marketer. All right, so this is where you can actually do social media marketing for offline businesses. You can even do it online if you want, but it just depends on you. Doing it offline businesses, if you're not afraid or hesitant to reach out to local businesses who you see doing social media or needs to be doing social media, all you need to do is go to them, ask for the manager, ask for the owner, you know the deal. Ask for the owner, have a nice little presentation, and say, hey, look, I can take care of your Facebook posting, your Instagram, even YouTube, depending on whatever they're doing. But I could take care of your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. You know what I'm saying? And you create your own little packages, guys. Whatever you want to do, you can have it where I post, twice a week for this company. I post once a day. It's up to you. Whatever. Have different tiers. You can have a $400 a month packet, an $800 a month packet. You can have $1,000 a month packet. It's on you, right? But all you need to do is create these packages, have them together, and just go present them to potential clients, because social media obviously ain't going nowhere no time soon, and you can really build a home business and work from anywhere you want, right? Work from your laptop, and go hard with that. That can be a very lucrative business. Now, one little side tip with that, you can actually, there's different softwares I talked about before that actually can automate your posting. So I'll put a couple in the description if I remember. If not, just Google auto posters, social media auto posters, right? And you can actually have clients, and you can actually just have everything automated, where you could just do it, spend a couple hours, a couple days out the week for your clients, and just have all their stuff on deck, so you don't have to actually be literally like posting for them every day with your phone, like, oh, I gotta post the dry cleaners Instagram, I gotta post the bakery, all that. Nah, you have it all on autopilot, right? And then look, I actually went to something on my phone. Come on. And you could actually, even with that theory, once you get going and you get bigger, you can actually outsource a lot, if not all, of your work. All right. Be a boss. That's what's about, being a boss. All right. The third home business idea that you can start today in just a few minutes is you watching it. A YouTube channel. All right. A YouTube channel is definitely a home business opportunity. I love YouTube because it can create so many different income streams and opportunities, network opportunities, business opportunities, you name it, brand deals, all that stuff can come from YouTube. And it's super easy to start. Obviously, I'm sure you heard of YouTube. You're on YouTube, right? So the key is find a niche that you feel comfortable with, right? And start creating content. When it comes to YouTube, it's really more about just taking action more than anything, because there's a lot of videos and tutorials about how to make the greatest thumbnails and how to do your research and all that, which is very important when it comes to trying to create a YouTube business. But ultimately, guys, it's about getting started. Just create content, shoot videos. You could use your phone. Once again, co-star is my phone. You can use your phone. You can get a webcam like this. This is I think what is this? Logitech 920 webcam. Just get started. Once you get started, and just title your video what it is. Make the description what it is. Type in a description. This is a video about learning how to bake cookies, right? This is how you bake cookies in 10 minutes, whatever. Just get started, right? Just get started. Now, what happens is, how this becomes a home business is, once you meet the YouTube requirements, you are now able to make money from YouTube ads that pop up on your videos. We all know about them, but that's just like the very least way to make money from YouTube. Now you can become an affiliate, which means every video you put out, you can actually promote somebody else's product, maybe that has something to do with whatever your niche is. So if you're doing like bakery stuff and you love to bake and stuff, you can actually become an affiliate of a big time chef that got a recipe book that you can earn $20 commissions every sale, right? You could do that, and you could do that with multiple products and services, right? So just think about that. Imagine having videos with 100 views, even 100 views. 5 people buy the recipe book at $20 commissions. You just made $100 off 100 views. Think about that, right? So now imagine you're doing your research, you making videos that are getting a lot of views, 10,000 views, 20,000 views. Imagine, selling, 100 copies, right? Of that recipe book. Imagine, you do the math, you get what I'm saying, right? So You can actually become an affiliate. Then, not only that, you can create your own products, which is super easy to do these days. Create your own, products based around your niche, and you can always promote it in your videos. All right. So YouTube is big right now and it's only getting bigger. But once you get going with it, then you can really hone in on learning different strategies and techniques. But guys, YouTube, man, it's so easy to get started. Just start. Create your first video, upload it. Forget all the tutorials and all of the hoopla. Because a lot of people would get scared off of that and be like, oh, thumbnails, I don't know how to create thumbnails, and I don't know how to do keyword research. I don't know how to find the right tags, and I don't know. Forget all that. If you want to start off today, a home business opportunity, today, upload your first video. Talk about something that you're interested in. Just talk about it. That right there is the start of your home business, guys. So there you have it. Just take action. All right. So those were 3 home business ideas that you can start today, right now, guys. So leave below, comment, let me know which one of those 3 businesses most interests you, which is your favorite out of those 3. And matter of fact, if you got another business idea, comment below. It's all good. Be sure to subscribe to your channel, like, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.